Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. You are knowing our nation, that is India, is growing as a senior citizens nation because we are having good quality of medicine and everything. That is why even our lifespan has increased. That is why it is very, very important to talk about senior citizens. How to have a happy and healthy life as a senior citizen. Now, first of all, who is a senior citizen then? You are knowing, we can categorize senior citizens either according to biological age, psychological age, or physical age. Now, what is meant by biological age? It is right from our day of birth. According to our birth date, when we complete 60 years of age, we are considered as senior citizens by the government. Now, apart from that, you are knowing people, those who are having physical diseases and all, they grow old before their age. They might be 50 years according to the biological age, but they may look as 60, 65 as the senior citizens. That is called as physical age. Why it happens like that? Because their activities are very slow, their food habits might be, so many things might be reasons for that. Next is psychological age. Psychological age depends on how I am, about your thinking, about your attitude. Now, though I am 70 years old, if I feel I am 50 years old, that is my psychological age. What a person of 50 years does, that I am able to do. It means psychological, my age is 50 years. Now, being a senior citizens, what we should take care if we want to be happy and healthy. You are knowing there are 3 F's what we have to take care of. First is fitness. Our physical fitness should be good. Means we should be active. How we can do this? Because of exercise, yoga and all, we should keep ourselves physically fit. Walking and everything, all physical activities. Next is family, also important. If we are having a good loving family, we always feel that we are having someone to look after, and we feel, you are knowing, mentally very happy. Next is finance. That is very, very important, because during our young age, we were earning, so there was not at all any problem. But as we are retired or as we grow old, we may not be able to earn as we used to earn before. Then what we have to do? You are knowing, though we have grown old, we are knowing that one day or the other I am going to grow old or I am going to retire. This we were knowing it. So we have to do preparation for this old age. Preparation of finance, I will tell you. You are knowing from when we should do it. If you ask me, I will tell you from the day you have started earning, you should plan for your later age, that is for the age of retirement. During our service time, you are knowing we used to follow 50, 30 and 20 rule. 20% we used to invest for the future. So that is why it was for our own safety, for our own old age. Now investments, how we can make? First, we are having the government investments. Why I am talking about government in the sense, now you are knowing, when we were young, we used to take risk. We wanted more, so just because of more, we might have taken some risk while investing. But now we are knowing, we are retired, we are not going to earn now. So we have to take care of money. So safety is very, very important. Now, how to double the money, how to increase the money is not important. Now important is safety. So usually we are having senior citizen schemes in the bank and all. I think till 30 lakhs we can invest in that. And I feel that we get something 8.2% interest. So it is the easy way. And then we are having post office investments as well, that is senior citizens. Here you are knowing, if as an individual we can invest till 9 lakhs. If it is your, for example, you and your wife together, it is joint account, then it is 15 lakhs. But I feel that you can have different accounts so that you can invest 9 plus 9, that is 18 lakhs. I think here you are getting something 7.4%, etc. Apart from that, what you are, for example, from post office you are getting monthly income, or from what I can, senior citizens, you may get once in 4 months, I think, quarterly. So after you are spending whatever remains, if you want, you can invest it in mutual fund or whatever it is, if you feel that that money is not needed for you now. But whenever you invest as a senior citizen, you invest for the short term, because now it is for ourselves, for our enjoyment, for our living. So if we take care of ourselves with these 3 F's, that is fitness, family and finance, if we take care of it properly, I think as the senior citizens, we can have a happy and healthy life. And mind you, one important thing, it is not immediately we will think when we retire. No, the preparation should be right from the beginning. As I told you, health, right from the childhood we should take care of health and physical fitness. Family, you are knowing, right from the beginning we should have our own love towards our own family members and all. Then finance also, from the day you have started earning, you should have the financial plan for your later days, that is retirement age. So if we plan it properly, we can have a good health, we can have a good family, and we will be very happy with good finance. That is why there won't be any problem. And since we have taken care of ourselves, we will be active as well. And very, very important thing is, though we grow old, Don't say, now I'm retired, I won't do anything, I will do only aram. No. You have to be active, because if we are active, we will be very happy, and not only we will be very happy, we will even share the happiness with others as well. This will help us all. Have a nice day.